Hey guys, so first of all, big update because the OMI to NFT is coming really soon. The beta testing is coming shortly, as they announced a few days ago. But what I wanted to talk about is my personal price prediction for the OMI token, because some of the people in the ECOMI and VEVE community have been asking me what is my price prediction. First of all, the OMI token right now is trading at around $0.00043, and the all-time high was at 0.0012 or 0.0013 cents, something like that. So the thing about OMI token is that you need a lot of utility for it to go up, and in my opinion, the developments and updates for the OMI to NFT, the point system is a great way in that direction, and I think the VEVE team is doing a pretty solid job looking at the fact that we are in a bear market, because many people are very skeptical, very bearish. They are sharing a lot of FUD on Twitter. If you look at other NFT projects, and most of the NFT projects, I mean 99% are dead, and many projects that have been really successful in 2021 and 2022, like Bored Apes, Artifact, VeeFriends, I think these communities have been really quiet, really empty, because when you go on the Discord channels of these projects, you can see that these projects are really quiet. The Discord servers are basically empty. And that's why I am really bullish on the VEVE ECOMI, because the community is still here. The FUDders, the naysayers are still here on every of my tweet that gets thousands of views. There are still many people that are hating on VEVE ECOMI, but I understand there are always two sides for really big and successful projects. You cannot go without haters. That's why I don't really mind them. But getting back to the price prediction, my base prediction is that if NFTs come back, and I think NFTs will come back 100%, because that's the only way large brands can utilize the blockchain technology, because big brands will never be using tokens or going into meme coins or just pumping some coin for no reason. I think the only utility they can use is doing NFTs. That's why there are many projects, many brands like Nike, Marvel, Universal Music. Even if the projects are really quiet right now, the projects are still running in the background. They haven't shut down these projects, and that's a really good sign. And that's why I think when Bitcoin goes up, and it most likely will start going up in 2024 October, because that's what happened in 2020 October. That was basically the crypto euphoria year. In 2021, everything went crazy. That's why I'm looking at the 4-year cycle, and I think that Bitcoin will start going up significantly after the summer's over, maybe even in September, and the 2025 will be full-blown crypto year, and that's the reason I think the OMI token will start going up only after the Bitcoin reaches its previous all-time high. And we are in a winter months when everyone is spending money, buying gifts, just buying some garbage that they don't need. And my base prediction for OMI token is 30x, because 30x is basically from the lowest point right now at $0.00043 to $0.13, which was the all-time high in 2021. That's a 30x right now. That's why I think the all-time high will be reached quite easy, because there is a lot of utility coming for the OMI token. Burns, influencers, big brands. I think the Dragon Ball Z will be one of the NFTs for the VEVE in the future. Maybe Pokemon. I hope the Pokemon will be as well. That's why my base is 30x. If NFTs don't catch up as they did in 2021, I think the price could go up 50x from now. But that's still quite low, because I still think the NFT wave will be 100x larger than it was in 2021, because the brands will be ready. Brands will be building like crazy. In 2021, big brands were not ready for this. Right now, they will be ready, and that's why I think OMI token could go even 80x, or the best case scenario 100x from this point. But that's only if we get the Pokemon NFTs, if we get the OMI to NFT, if we get the big exchanges like Binance, OKX, and everything like that. And why I think this is a realistic prediction, and this video is not a financial advice at all, but the fact that big brands and Marvel was advertising, and big brands will be advertising the VEVE NFTs on their Instagrams, Twitters, all social media will be really insane. Because looking at the fact that BlackRock and actually the institutions are in crypto, the ETF came out early 2024. This is really huge because institutions will be most likely interested in other sectors of crypto. That's why I think this is another really insane aspect that many people are not looking at, that the institutions are already in crypto. So yeah, that's why my base is 30x for VEVE. The middle ground is 50x, and the bullish scenario is 80x to 100x. But if you don't agree with this, let me know in the comments below why you think, because I like to see all the sides, all the opinions on why this token could not go up. That's why I'm interested in your opinion. So write a comments below. I will read all the comments and make another video afterwards. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Press thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop update. And thanks for watching.